me put some music on. Don't think you guys can hear that though. I can hear it. You guys can't. There we go. All right, wonderful. So, we're back at it with laser bounce. We're making really good progress with this. We're making very good progress with this. Where are we though? I believe we just got... What the heck? Give me a second. The song was a little loud. We just got the activator absorber working, like completely. So it can count how many lasers are bouncing into it. It checks if the laser is the correct color. When it's white, any color works. And, well, okay. The check, we didn't actually do that yet, but... so notice how it says 2. It still works even if one gets dragged off. If at least one correct laser is shining into it, it opens. Something I would like to do, right, is drawing a wire. So I've linked these two things. Basically, to link it, well, let me show you. It's pretty nice. We have the activator group, and I just called it activator 1. And then I took this door, and I added it to that group, activator 1. Like that. So that's how that works. Hey, Critical. Hey, Matt. What's up? I am making a Dreams game outside of Dreams. Yes. That is what I'm doing. We're making laser bounce. So we've got laser bouncing working. We've got drag and dropping working. We've got click to rotate working. And obviously click to rotate only works if it has a rotatable base. We've got laser bouncing working. Let me just demo that really quick. So that's cool. We've got, okay, the door shouldn't, I have it so when you click the door, it toggles, but that's just to test it. You have to activate it. Love it. Thanks, dude. Here, I don't know why I'm demoing in small mode. Did you make a game before? I've used Godot before, but I haven't, like, this is the first 3D game I've ever made in Godot. And it's going quite well, actually. I have to admit. I've only been doing this for like 5-ish days, and we're already making a lot of progress. And then what else? Finally, if the activator gets hit, the door opens. Oh, I can't rotate this one. That's okay. And another cool thing is... Where's this bouncing? Okay, another cool thing is, like, here, watch. So, At first, the laser is hitting the door, and then when the door opens, it continues to bounce. And if the door would close, the laser gets destroyed. See? So that was another important part of this. And, I mean, so I think we can just continue with adding everything. Like the other activators and... Well, I mean, isn't that it? So, oh, and then the goal, obviously. But, yeah, there's the other activators, and then there's the wires. And I'd like the wires to just, like, make themselves. It's been a while since I've shown off laser bounce, but when I say the wires... Let me show you. There's no sound for this right now. So I'm talking about these wires. They should be dull and the correct color when they're powered off. And then when they're powered on, they should look like that. Or at least glowing or something. I don't think I'm going to be able to put a curve in the wires. Well, okay, let's be honest. I could, but I don't think I'm going to. What I want is just... I just want the model. I can always decorate it later. Magma is here. Can't wait to see this game on Steam. Yeah, well, so I'm making it for mobile. I don't... Do you think it's Steam worthy? I could put it on Steam. I definitely could put it on Steam. All right. You think I should put it on Steam? I don't know. I'm not sure if it's like complicated enough. You know what I mean? Like, I think it makes a great mobile game. But I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it would be good on Steam. Hey, Boom, what's up? So let's get the other activators in here. The other two activators. Let's do that before we continue. Everything you make is Steam worthy. Thanks. Mobile's a good idea. Yeah, this is definitely good on mobile. On Steam, I guess I can, like, there's no reason why I couldn't put it on Steam. You would do both? Okay. We'll see. Yeah. But mobile is definitely going to be like free with an ad, with like a pay, you can pay to get rid of ads for like $3, $5, something like that. Actually, maybe I can just like name your price kind of thing. I don't know. But yeah, and then the Steam one would be just like $5. Let's import the two other activators. So we have the activator reflector, which activates when a laser bounces against it, and the activator absorber, the activator gate, which activates when a laser is shined through it. Okay, now I can turn the music back up for me.
The number you have dialed cannot be reached, and that's okay.
Okay. Yeah, so let's export this. And you can see that I sculpted all of these, all of the assets. I think I'm missing like one, but, you know. Okay, so we're going to export. If you guys have any questions, if you're curious about, like, so I'm using Godot with GD script. Yeah, science, technology, Blender. Well, I'm not doing Blender. But could be. Tomorrow will be your first day in school. Hell yeah. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? All right, this is activator gate. All right. Yeah, activator gate. We want to export as this and include only the selected objects. Wonderful. Both? Okay. Let's go to OneDrive. So it should be here. And then let's get another folder up. It's also in OneDrive. Godot. Laser bounce, imports. Okay, and then we want the activator gate. Let's just copy and paste it into imports. Wonderful. There it is. So now it's in imports. Let's open it. Activator gate. Open anyway. And there it is. So the model we sculpted in Blender is now in our game engine in Godot. We want to move this to center it. We want to scale this entire thing down. I've been scaling everything I import down by 50%. Probably didn't have to do that, but... You use Blender once and you realize it's not your jam. You got to get used to it. Like, if I can use Blender, you can too. You just got to, like, learn it. But that said, the things I was making, the things that I made are very, very simple. This is not Unreal. This is Godot. Okay, so let's call this activator gate. And there's a couple things we need to do. We need to add close closest tile on ready. This makes it so things can't be placed on top of it. And what else? I think we need, yeah, we need a script for this. So what did we do for the absorber? Oh, we did a lot. Okay. Oh, right. Okay. We need our area. We don't, and we need to add collisions. Yes. Okay. Of course. I completely forgot. Well, let's save it first. Save scene as, and we're gonna go under assets. We can create a new folder, activator gate, and call it activator gate. All right, save it. Okay, so first we need to give hitboxes to this, so we know when we click on it. The default version doesn't need to know when it's clicked on. It only needs to know if it's clicked on, if it is draggable or rotatable. So mesh, create. I think I've been doing the tri-mesh one. Doesn't really matter. It might matter. I don't know. There. So now they have hitboxes. Perfect. Let's also add a click manager to manage the clicking. Or do we? No. We don't need that. We only need that if it's draggable. But we do need to add a script to this. So attach script. Let's save that in our scripts folder. Activator gate, good. And let's refer to our absorber script. Right. It's checking if any lasers are hitting it. Okay. So I need signal press. Let's start with that. Activator gate. So signal pressed, and it's pressed if what? If the static body. Oh, I'm in the absorber right now. Whoops, I need to be in the gate. If the static body is pressed, or this. So there's two models here. If either of them are clicked, then the activator gate needs to know that. Emit, signal, pressed. We're not using this right now, but it's for the future. Never heard of it? Yeah, I mean, there's some pretty nice videos on, like, what it is. What does what mean? You are a genius. You finished Just Pogo. Congrats. Nice job, dude. What is Alpha Beta's horror game called? Vengeful Eyes, I believe. The Vengeful Eyes. Oh, this isn't exactly what we need. We need to check if the event is clicked. Yeah, we need this line as well. If it's your left click. Okay, emit pressed. All right, so what do we need to do with this activator gate? We need, can I get the 3D view, please? We need to know if a laser is being shined through it. Okay, we need to know if a laser is being shined through it. We can just use the same idea for this, with the area, right? Now, the question is, can I copy and paste this Did I put the area in the mesh? Yeah, I just put it in the mesh. No, of course we can't. That's okay. We can remake it. So area collision shape 2 is just I believe it's a sphere shape. Okay. But we don't want a sphere shape here. Anyway, add child node. We want an area. And that's under the cube. Sure. And we're going to add something to that. We want a collision shape. And the collision shape is a box. We want it to be a box. Let's move this area up. We don't need the snap to grid right now. Okay, this zoom snap is kind of annoying. That's fine though. Okay, let's put it right there. And let's make the collision shape a little bit smaller. A little bit smaller. Because we only want to check if the laser's shining through it, not hitting it. Because like a diagonal laser might hit it. Yeah. So collision shape. Do we want to scale the area? We want to scale the collision shape. Can we just edit this? Yes, perfect. Let's try 0.5. Perfect. I don't know what margin means, but fair enough. Oh, if I hold control, and then middle mouse button is zooms. All right, wonderful. So many shortcuts. Is this good as a collision shape? I wish I could rotate the camera like relative to what my mouse was hitting, but that's fine. I think this is good. That's why, yeah, okay, that's literally perfect, actually. But let's just make it 0.1. So again, I only want to check if the laser is shining directly through it. So if I make it 0.5, you can see it goes right up to the edge. It's like flush. I don't want that. 0.1 is good. Okay. Now I need to tell my activator gate if a laser is shining through it. So in the area, it emits a signal. Area entered. I want body entered, I believe. Let's see what I did here. Body entered, yes. So I want body entered and body exited. Connect to the gate. And same thing. Connect to the gate. Wonderful. I realized that lots of programs for creating have similar UI. Yeah, with nodes and stuff. Yep. Yep. And then we have dreams. And then we have dreams. Okay. So we know when a laser gets shine through it and when the laser stops getting shine through it. In the activator absorber, we have to count how many things hit it. But with this, I guess you could have 2 lasers being shined through it. One from each side. Shoot. Well, I guess we need to count some more. Wonderful. So we actually do need activated count. We need to do a very similar thing. So we can just copy and paste this code. And we need this as well. The reason I'm okay with copy and pasting this is because there's only 3 types of activators. There's only 3 scripts. It's not that big of a deal. And they're all a little bit different. So it doesn't make sense to try to like make one script for all 3. BRB, all right. Function activated, function deactivated, get trig, activated group, activate, deactivate. Yeah, that's fine. We need our activated group though. So export our activated group. Don't know why this is so far down. Okay, so this is the group we're activating. This is like what it's connected to. Do you have a game on your mind, a puzzle game? So do you have a game on your mind? What do you mean? I'm making Laser Bounce. Do you remember Laser Bounce from Dreams? Is that what you're referring to? So yeah, I'm remaking. If you want me to demo Laser Bounce, I will. But yeah, I'm remaking Laser Bounce. Okay. Which is nice. Like I have something that I can just copy. What did I do here? So area body exited, area body entered. So yeah, I mean we can just. I think we can just straight up copy this. Sensed color equals body dot get parent. Yep. So we're getting the color of the laser. If check color, let's get check color as well. I did not implement check color yet, but it's fine. So if the color laser matches the color of the activator, add 1, activated. Same thing, or a similar thing for deactivating. So it checks what color is leaving the gate. If it's the correct color, it subtracts. Make sure it can't go below 0. And if the activated count is 0, so if no more lasers are shining through it, it deactivates the things it's connected to. Okay, is that it? Man, wait. This is actually the exact same code. Like, this is literally the same code. Nothing. Wow. Wait, it actually is all the same code. What the frick? Huh. Okay, we're gonna unlink. We're gonna clear this script. We're going to go into scripts. Activator absorber's good. Activator gate. We don't want that script anymore. We're gonna rename this activator absorber script to activator script. Just activator. It's all just the same script. Activator. And let's go into activator absorber. Let's clear the script and attach the activator script to it. Okay. It is literally just all the same script. That's actually amazing. That's pretty awesome. Okay, and let's go back to the activator gate and just attach the script to it. That's awesome. It's the same script, but different hitboxes. All right, because like the laser's shining through this one, the laser's shining into this one, but it's still just the same stuff. It's just sensing the lasers. Going pretty hard. You're trying to make a racing game? Right. Oh, in Unreal. Oh man, I thought you were doing that in Dreams. Or was that someone else? You need to see laser bounce? Yeah, look it up. It was actually MM picked. It's my only MM picked game. You're doing both, got you. All right, is this good? I think so. Let's try it. Can we print? Are we printing anything? We're printing activated count. Let's not print that. Can we print just whether or not it's activated? I mean, yeah, we could like make it glow. What we should do is make it glow. So we would change the material here to make it like glow or something, but for now this is fine. So print activated. Let's add it to our level. Where is it? Assets, activator gate. Put it in objects. And it should line up. It should snap to the tiles, I hope. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. Wait, is it? I can't even tell. Oh no. It does. Let's go. There's no reason why it wouldn't, but... Oh, there's tons of reasons why it wouldn't, but... Anyway, let's not make it big because we want to read the output. So let's shine a laser through it. Well, first let's not shine a laser through it. Okay, and now let's shine a laser through it. Okay, nothing happened. So it did not work. That's okay. What should have happened? It should have printed activated. Did we not connect this? Let's try reconnecting it. Disconnect, disconnect. Body exited. I mean, these should be connected properly. Crap. Well, what the heck's wrong? I must be missing something. Oh, I know. It's the collision. It's the wrong layer. It's the wrong layer. It needs to be that. It was, the lasers are in a different collision layer than everything else because, well, at least I think they are. Yeah, there we go. It was, yeah, so if you guys can see that, it said activated, right? Bam, activated. So this gate is properly activating. Here's a test, though. Here's a really important test. It shouldn't activate if a diagonal laser shines through it. Well, I mean, the diagonal laser shouldn't even be able to shine through it. So let's try that. So we can put it here. This should not work. I hope it doesn't. If it does, I'll have to do some tweaking. So this laser should not activate it. It does not. Perfect. Oh, look at that. Yeah. The problem is it looks like it should work, you know? Well, it kind of, no, you know, it doesn't look like it should work. Kind of looks weird though, not gonna lie. Obviously this still works, right? And then this also works. It's activated twice. But cool. All right, I'm happy with that. It's really nice that we can reuse the code too. Choose you have activated group. Okay. Let's add the last one. So let's go back in the Blender. You remember laser bounce? It's bounce, not bounds. With lasers bouncing off of mirrors, right? The fact that you made me remember laser bounce means it's a pretty good remake so far. Thanks. Okay, so let's export this now. The activator reflector. And if guys, if you want me to demo the game that I'm remaking, just ask, and I will. I have it up on the PS4 right now. Activator gate. No, this is activator reflector. Activator mirror. I mean, it's a mirror, right? Activator mirror. In the game, I called it reflector, but it's an activator mirror. Everything's good. Let's export. Let's put it in Godot. Activator mirror. Copy. Paste. Wonderful. Open anyway. There it is. Well, that's interesting how it's not apparent. Okay, let's do that. There we go. Let's center it. Let's scale it down. And call this what it is, activator mirror. Awesome. And what else do we need? Let's make the meshes. Let's save it before we forget. Activator mirror. Activator mirror, save. Awesome. Let's do the close closest tile. And we don't need the click manager. The static bodies need the, oh, okay, let's add the script. Oh, it's so nice that I don't have to, that I can just use the same script for all of these. The activator script, wonderful. So these two static bodies need to tell the activator if it's clicked, if they're clicked. So signals connect to that and connect to that. All right, that was easy. And then we need the area, remember? So let's put, to sense the laser. right? Yeah. Add child node. Let's add the area. And let's add a collision shape thing. Collision shape. This shape, what is this shape? It's a box, right? New box shape. Wonderful. Let's center this. Okay, that's not gonna work apparently. Why? Why is the center of this? Okay, whatever. It's fine. We're gonna just manually place it. Does not have to be like pixel perfect. Do you guys know how to? I want to rotate around where my mouse is pointing. This is actually like frustrating me. Godot, how to rotate around where mouse is pointing in the editor. I know this is a horrible Google search, but let's see. Here we go. Oh, whoa, this is 2014. Editor, rotate around mouse. How about that? Okay, mouse wheel up and down to zoom. Yes, middle button drag is orbit camera around current target. Oh. Well, then why am I orbiting around this? Isn't my current target this? But that's not working. Wait, did I miss something? Middle mouse plus drag. Orbit camera around current target. What is my current target? Oh, here we go. Rotate camera in place. Okay. Thank you. Holy moly. That's gonna make things a little bit nicer. Just to get that, like, yeah, okay. I still don't understand why I'm orbiting around just an empty point in space, but it's fine. Now I can make those small camera adjustments. Okay, anyway, holy moly. Let's edit this collision shape. Can we change the extent on it? Yes, we can. That's not what I want. That's not what I want. That's what I want. Let's make it very, very small. Because again, we're just checking if a laser is hitting it, right? Okay, I've got to get used to that. There's no mirror on the back. It's only on the front. Oh, it's control. So you see the collision shape right here. We're just going to place it on the front like that. Wonderful. What else? This area needs to tell this script whether a body has entered and exited. And we don't want to forget that the collision layer and mask should be this, which is the one I'm using for lasers. You right click and press WASD instead of panning and rotating. Yeah. What's up, Josh? How's it going? I need to remember to drink. Okay. Is this it? I think this is it. Yeah, I don't... It's so annoying. Like, apparently my target... I don't know why I'm orbiting around, like... It's whatever. It's just annoying. Let's add this to our test level. I'm doing well. I'm doing well. I'm hard at work at remaking a... So, okay, do you know the game Dreams? You probably don't. That's okay. I made a game on the PS4 called Laser Bounce. It's a puzzle game where you shoot lasers. and I'm remaking it in Godot. So I've been hard at work doing that. This is the first game I've ever made in Godot, and it's going pretty well, I'd say. Okay, so activator mirror is what we just worked on. So let's place that and see if it works. Oh, there's one thing I forgot. The mirror activator is should reflect. So this static body, I believe. Well, let's open the mirror and see what I did with that. So mirror, one-sided mirror. Where I know one of these. Something is in the reflecting group. Something. And I don't remember what. There, okay. Okay, the mirror static body is in the group reflect. That's important. So activator mirror. The mirror static body, which is this, needs to be in the group reflect. Perfect. All right. Now let's try it. Oh, and then this is the wrong angle. Let's do 45 degrees. Is putting it there fine? Yeah. All right, let's try this. You're currently just struggling with your 2D Java game? Yeah, I hear you. So you're just making it in straight Java. You're not using an engine? So, I mean, first it should reflect, and second it should say activate down here. Okay. That's interesting. It tried really hard to reflect. Yeah, I know what happened. Okay. I have code that whenever a laser bounces, the new laser gets centered, right? This mirror is not... The mirror is not centered, right? So it's really important if we go into the test level... It's really, really important that this plane is like as close to the center as possible. And it is definitely not. So there's multiple ways we can fix this. I like how the model is centered. I like how the model's centered though. I mean, we could just like slide this over. Right? See, this yellow line is the center. That fixes it, I hope. Let's just see if that fixes it. You'll notice how it's not centered anymore. That does fix it. One thing to note is it's activated twice, right? It's being activated by the initial laser and the laser going out. That's fine. That's completely fine. But anyway, I don't know if I like that fix. That is what I did with normal mirrors. That is exactly what I did with normal mirrors. What I should have done... I'm not sure how I feel about that. Okay, apparently I can't redo into this. The other solution would be to just slide this. Okay, please let me zoom. Okay, thank you. Would be to slide this part in. That, I kind of like that more, I'm going to be honest. I kind of like that more because it keeps the model centered, although that mirror is very inset now. Is that weird? Do I like that more? I don't really like that more. I don't like that. Let's just slide the entire thing. Or it was this. Yeah, I mean, that's what I did for the one-sided mirrors. Yeah, I think that's fine. All right, fair enough. What programming language is used in this engine? Yeah, that's a good question. So Godot, I'm using GD script. It stands for Godot script, I assume, which is kind of like Python syntax, but it's like a custom script, custom programming language, I guess, a proprietary programming language. But you could also use C#. The actual engine is coded in C++, and it's an open source engine, so you can actually like change the code in it. I do want to make clear, I am not like a Godot veteran or anything. This is my first 3D game in it. It is interesting though. Yeah, it's super easy to pick up. It's super easy to pick up. If you would use Godot, I would highly recommend just learning GDScript. And Godot is known for its 2D games. And you did say you were making a 2D Java game. And I will now read more chat. Wow. Yeah, straight Java. I wanted to make a 3D game with straight Java. Oh god, but the math is just a pain. Yeah, that sounds horrible. Why don't I like that fix? Because it's not symmetrical. But it's fine. The fix is fine. It's completely fine. But dude, if you're making a 2D game, I would look into Godot actually. But I mean, okay, you're probably doing it in straight Java just to learn, right? Why else would you make it in straight Java? Why are you making it in straight Java? I'm curious. All right, this is the normal mirror. What about the activator mirror? So we just slid it over, and I believe we did. Oh, we didn't even do that for the normal mirror, did we? I don't even think we did that for the normal mirror. But we frickin' should. Okay, there. Oh, but we did it. Okay, hold on. So we didn't do it for the normal mirror, but we did do it for everything else. So notice how they're off now. So let's put it back. Crap. Well, not crap. We can fix this pretty easily. We can fix it pretty easily. And the thing is, like, it doesn't need to be exact. It does not need to be exact because I have logic or code. It's not logic. In Dreams, it's called logic. In this, it's not called logic. I have logic that centers the laser, so it doesn't need to be literally pixel perfect. Okay, let's just go down. Let's go through all of them and fix them all. Is there a shortcut to turn snapping? Why? Interesting. I am not going to remember that. You like C#? Hey, GB, what's up? I do too. That's what my job is in. Mainly because you use Unity. Yeah. Yeah, like, I don't know. I like the idea of like how Godot is open source. It's like it's a relatively light program, and it's like completely free. Like there's no paid option at all. There's a lot less tutorials, but I don't know. I think it's cool. The node structure is very cool. What was I doing? Let's rotate this. But I have nothing against Unity or Unreal. Oh, is this already? Wait a second. The mirror is lined up with the center, but when I rotate it... What the heck? No, that's fine. Alright. That was weird, but okay. Maybe I already did that one. Then is this one lined up? No, it is not. So let's fix that one as well. Perfect. Okay, let's go back to the test level. I'm hoping, yeah, all those, they look better now. I think. Godot is really cool too. It is. I wish I knew more about it. Like, I'm trying to learn it. I am not a Godot expert, but I would like to be. And if you guys want to see like a demo of, at any point, just ask for a demo of either the game I'm copying. I mean, I'm copying my own game, but remaking, I think, is a better word for it. Or a demo of this. Just ask. Ooh, I think I messed it up. I think they're still too far back. Oh no. I mean, look, it still works. It works fine, but like it does not. Oh, I messed it up. Okay, whatever. What about this? Okay. That looks good. But the mirrors are all messed up here. Okay, what's going on? Did I end up... I might have moved it in the test level. Let's just delete all of these. And can we place them again? Diagonal or lateral? We want diagonal. Does this look better? That looks better. I might have did the fix. I don't know why that was in quotes. I might have did the fix in the test level. Oh God. I don't even know. I'm not even sure. I don't think I did. Who knows? But let's just keep duplicating. Hopefully this fixes it. Hopefully this looks better. Why is it like that? What did I do? Oh no. It's fine. Nah. I don't even know what I'm doing. It literally does not matter. Cause like, again, the laser gets fixed anyway. Whatever. Is there a splash screen? No. Well, yes, but you can remove it. You can do whatever you want with it. You can customize the splash screen. You'd probably use C# because it's similar to Java. Yes, yeah. Again, though, if you're considering using Godot, I would highly recommend just like giving GDScript a chance. Ooh, it's gonna get a major update with Vulkan support. What is that? I also like Godot because yeah, the Linux support. I love how it can also export to anything. It can run on anything. It's really cool. Yep, you can turn it off or completely customize it. All right, it seems like GB knows Godot. Maybe you can help me if I need it. You uploaded your first devlog to this Java game today? Cool. You have to delete your whole inventory system and make a better one. Inventory systems are fun though. I love that kind of stuff. Okay, this is, I don't know. I'm such an idiot. This was not smart what I did here. Can we just undo? There's nothing to undo, of course not. Let's just, I could delete it and replace it, but I'm just gonna do this. Actually, you know what? I kind of want to just delete it and replace it. God damn it. That's what we're gonna do. And now notice how it's, oh man, I don't know if I want to do that though. What are we in, the diagonal one? So let's rotate it. And then the mirror needs to tell the click manager that it was clicked. I don't want to forget that. Or pressed, whatever. Okay, what the heck? Why did it go into this? That was weird. Okay, so let's do the rotatable one as well. So I'm just gonna get rid of this. It needs to be put on the rotatable base. And then this is the diagonal one, so I'm gonna rotate it 90 degrees. Yeah, you know what? Maybe replacing the mirror was the right play. And then this needs to be telling the click manager when it was clicked. Wonderful. Don't know why. Yeah, already. Ooh, actually, hold on. This should not be that high, I think. Yeah, it should be the same height as, crap. It's supposed to be the same height as the draggable base, not, it's fine. So I need to put it in the draggable base first. Now it's the right height. Now if I put it in the rotatable base, it stays at the same height. There we go. Okay. Rotate it because it's the diagonal one. Do the same thing. I want to get onto the fun stuff. Oh, I did that wrong. Disconnect. I needed to connect it to the click manager. Okay, there. That looks better. That looks better. Yeah, notice how it's not clipping weirdly. Yeah, that looks better. I'm hoping this works so I can freaking move on. Yes, there we go. That is much better. That is much better. Unity can be, yeah, it's extremely light. That's what I've been saying. It's extremely light. I really like it. Welcome back, Critical. Going offline now. You live in Europe? Oh man, yeah, I'm in New York. You should take a look at this engine. You should. You should. I'll see you later, dude. Oh, and thanks for the follow. Oh crap. Oh my gosh. I hope you were here for me to thank you for the follow. I recorded a YouTube video earlier, and I left my YouTube overlay, which does not have alerts. Let me put the Twitch overlay back. Wow, my bad. I will play this because you did not get the notification. Okay. Anyway, we have fully fixed it. Let's update the rest of the mirrors, and then I want to get wires working. Wires are purely visual. The functionality of the activators is already in. So like, this activator is connected to this door. So when I shine a laser into it, the door opens. But the player needs to know that they're linked. But anyway, let's fix the mirrors first. There are a lot of tabs. I wish I was able to close all tabs at the same time, but it's fine. It's easier to close them from this side. I don't believe I fixed. Why is the lateral mirror diagonal? Okay. Is it fixed? Oh, I guess this one's already fixed. Fair enough. Centered. Is that centered? Yeah, it's centered. Probably. Probably. I did the did I do this one? Looks like I did. Did I do this one? Yep. Okay, the lateral ones seem fine. All right. So let's do it. Let's make a wire object and let's so I wanted to dynamically like add the wires. I don't want to have to manually for each level place the wires in. I want to have a wire object that so it senses or somehow this I guess this activator would spawn them in. This activator is connected to everything in the group activator 1. And this door is in the group activator 1. So this activator would spawn in a wire that connects it from here to here. It's just visual. How can I do that? I guess we'd just make it a mesh. I already have like an expanding cylinder thing. We could just duplicate this, which is, yeah, the beam. Call this wire. It's a good start. Okay. And we're gonna need, oh man, we need it to, we need to go to one point to another. I can easily get the location or the position of the thing it's connected to. So I need it to face that and expand to that. Let's do one thing at a time though. Oh, I didn't know you could at everyone. That's interesting. Just defeated the tough boss first try. You're playing modded to Terraria. Nice, nice. I've never played Terraria. It looks crazy though. I don't. Do I want the? I mean, I want a different script. Obviously, the wires aren't going to be bouncing and spawning. But yeah. So let's just get rid of the script. Let's also call this wire. It does not need collision at all. So doesn't need a static body. It probably needs a raycast. But did I delete the mesh? Okay, it needs the mesh, but it does not need any collision. It's purely visual. Yep, make the length of it the distance between the start and the end. Yeah, but it's a little trickier than that because you can't do. Wait, can you? So okay, hold on. I didn't finish my sentence, but with my beam, what I had to do, what I thought I had to do, was change the scale and then change the translation, right? Is there a way to just extend one side? I mean, that's how I did my lasers, right? It raycasts and then it gets the distance, it scales it up properly and then moves it. And it can do it, I mean, it does it really quick, obviously. Why? Oh.
Just wait for the tone.
You're not going to be able to move things while the laser's shooting, by the way. So yeah, I mean, I'd probably just do this again, unless there is a way to only extend one side of the mesh. I should stream it one day, especially with the 1.4 update. I mean, I've never played it, but... this is beam. I want to go into wire. Yeah, I mean, it just extends both sides every single time. Not that I know of. Yeah. Okay, that's all good. So let's create a new script. Called wire. And let's go into the beam script, see what we did here. We're getting our mesh. Yes, that makes sense. We have a raycast. That doesn't make sense anymore because we already know the end position. We don't care about the static body either, I believe. Why do I have this? Oh, right. I had put the mesh in the static body, which is fine. But for the wire, there's only a mesh. So just getting the mesh is good. Okay, color, yes. Can bounce doesn't make sense. Scale Y, yes. Collision point probably makes sense. I mean, let's just copy and paste them and then delete them later. What did I just delete? Yeah, can bounce doesn't make sense. Scale Y is good. Collision point's good. Distance doesn't make sense. Okay. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. I think. Okay. Fix position. No, I don't need any of this stuff. Maybe set length. No, because the beam is like dynamic, right? But this is like, I know the length of it. Wait, that's not true. The wire, I forgot about this. So here, let me open the game. I don't know why I completely forgot about this. Is this not a good example? This is not a good example level. Let's exit. I need a level where the wire can move. Oh, here's an example. So, okay, no, yeah, the wire is always going to be connected to it. Oh, man. So I need to always be changing its rotation and its length. But that's fine. That's not a big deal. I just need to keep that in mind. So let's go back to wire. It's gonna probably have to be in the process. And we want to, how about, yep, set, we want a set length. We want a set length function. And we want a set rotation, I guess. Or would it be orientation? Probably orientation. Oh man, I don't want to do vector math. All right, it's fine. Set, it would be orientation. Or is it rotation? I think it has to be rotation. Which is this. I just need to like rotate it. Rotation degrees. Yeah, that's what I have to do. All right. Okay. I need the object it's connected to. I need the object it's connected to. Collision point doesn't make sense. Here it is. Okay, here it is. So the scale y equals what? It's the distance between the connected object and this and what? And this position, yeah. Where do I... In this, it's just a ray cast. Here we go. Ray gate global transform origin. I want the wire's global transform origin. So global transform origin, I think it's distance 2, and then the connected object. Did I only need, yeah, I only needed 1. So, and then let's name this, let's call that the distance. I guess. I don't think we need to have this many variables. We need to constantly set the distance. We need to constantly set the distance, and then if the distance changes, no, that's fine. We can just do it here. We don't need a distance variable. Just scale y. And scale y equals that. Okay. And then the body dot scale dot y equals scale y plus 0.1. We don't need that anymore. And the body translation is the scale y divided by 2. Okay, yes, this is all fine. This will extend it. We can deal with setting the rotation later, because that's the part I'm going to have trouble with. Function sync. What? What did I do? Oh, this is a real function. Oh, oh no. Let's just get rid of that then. That's like an actual thing, I think. Oh, and then body is not declared. Sure. So what is body? Right. We just want to do the mesh. Or do we want to do the wire? It's just this itself. We just want to do itself, right? Or are we doing... no, we want to do the mesh, don't we? I mean, it doesn't... I don't think it matters. Let's do the mesh. And we're also translating the mesh. Sure. Sure, we're okay, and then we'll rotate the wire. The wire is what we rotate. The mesh, yeah, okay. That's fine. That makes sense. I guess I don't think it really matters, but... I mean, it's pretty much this simple. Oh, we need to constantly be setting the length depending on what the connected, like where the connected object is. I think we can just constantly call this. It's maybe in physics, but it's never good to like constantly call something like this. But I need to because, yeah, I mean I need to. We're not gonna have that many wires in the game anyway. Isn't it? Oh, isn't it? Is it called physics process? Yeah. Okay. So we're just constantly calling that. That's fine. Because we're doing physics because it's when it moves around, I guess. I don't know. Okay. We have the wire. It should be fine for now. We're not like setting... Oh, we have the color. Which... Which needs to be the color of this mesh. How do we set this one? I mean, would it be on ready? I don't think color is going to be set. I need to set the color of the mesh. Oh. I can, let's make a function. And then the thing that spawns this wire in would call the function. So set color. I mean, we don't really need a color variable then, do we? So set color mesh dot what? The beam already gets color, so let's figure out how that's done. Something with like albedo. Does the beam get color? Yeah, I know the beam gets color. Color equals get parent color. Okay. But where do I set? There it is. Set color. I mean, I just need this exact function. Okay, wonderful. Mesh dot get surface material 0, yes. Dot albedo color equals color. Great. Okay. Okay, now the interesting part. The activator needs to spawn in a wire for every object it activates. Then that wire needs to connect to the object, right? Again, I could just like manually place the wires in, but that's not what I want to do. So, I mean, it would just be annoying. That would be extremely annoying. Let's go to, hey Kiko, what's up? Let's go to our activator absorber first. Oh, no. No. We have an activator script. So let's go to our activator script. And let's work on spawning this in. I forget how to spawn things in. So our beam spawns things in. Let's look at how I did it. We have... Don't I load something or something? Yeah, here we go. So on ready var, what is this? Wire equals assets wire. Okay, so we have our wire asset ready to go. And on ready, probably, and then, It's just we don't want this to call until everything else is spawned in. So maybe call deferred. Okay, let's have a function called spawn wires. Let's pass for now. And on ready, we'll call deferred. I don't know if this will fix it, but call deferred spawn wires. I'm doing well, dude. I'm doing well. We are remaking laser bounce in a real engine, right? In Godot. So I already made laser bounce on Dreams. I think so. Here it is, laser bounce. Remember on Dreams, and now I'm remaking it in Godot, and we're making really good progress. My mom called me. Give me a second. You made a bad knife. What does that mean? Okay. So let's go to the script and call deferred spawn wires. Wonderful. Spawn wires. Now, what do we do in this? For every thing, for every object in the group that it's linked to, group name, we want to spawn a wire and connect it to it. Call group, get tree. We just want to get nodes in group. So for n in get tree dot get nodes in group, and then the group name is, what is it called? Activated group. And then we spawn a wire for every single thing in this. How do we spawn a wire? I don't remember. Let's go to Beam. I think it's called Bounce. Here it is, instance. We need to instance it. So let's go back to this. Yeah. So variable wire equals wire. That doesn't make sense. Variable new wire equals wire dot instance. Okay. Now what? New wire dot set color. Is color. You're learning some little programming. Looking forward to making stuff as good as this, dude. That's awesome. What are you learning specifically? New wire. Okay, so you instance the new wire. You're setting the color. What else? What else? We need to set the object it's connected to, right? So in the wire we have connected object. New wire dot connected object equals what? N, right? Which is the object. Is that it? That's literally it. Oh wait, it doesn't even have a color. Oh, duh. We called the function set color. Okay, my bad. So new wire set color, and then new wire connected object equals that. Okay. It's probably better to use a setter here. I don't know. Just some basics to play around with. Cool. What language though? Hey, you gotta start somewhere. And then it spawns a new wire for every single one. Yeah, this should work. It's not gonna face the right way, but this should work. Okay. Non-existent function, sure. Okay, I used underscores. Yes, that makes sense. Okay. Non-existent function get surface material. Mesh.get surface material. Really? Huh. Why not? What? I did it for Beam. The mesh. What? Hello? Did I just never use this? No, I definitely use this. What do you mean non-existent function? Is this a custom function? No, that doesn't make sense. What? I'm so confused. C#? Nice, nice. Oh, in base nil. Oh, okay, the mesh doesn't exist yet. The mesh doesn't exist yet. Can we... Can we have a color variable? And then on ready, it sets the color maybe. I hope that works. It probably won't, let's be honest, but... Oh, that actually worked. Wow. Okay, so notice how nothing spawned in. That's fine. I mean, actually, it might have spawned in. I just don't know where it is. Let's go to remote. Let's see if we can find it. Let's see if it exists. The wire. I mean, you know what? It's probably here. It's probably in the ground or in the tiles. So if we move this thing up, it's probably gonna spawn in. Like, we'll actually see it. I was wrong. Okay, well, you know, it's fine. So let's just try to find it. So remote, and so this is the actual game. Objects, activator, absorber, and it should be here. Right? Apparently not. Let's print some stuff. Wait, did I ever call this? Spawn wires? Oh my lord. I never called that. Oh my god. Okay. Maybe if I call the function. You're a busy girl. You're learning really slowly because of university. Yeah. What's your major? Oh, wait. Call deferred spawn wires. Wait a second. Huh. Let's try something. Okay. Oh yeah, these should be spawning them too. Well, okay, these aren't connected to anything, so never mind. But spawning, 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 so it's at least being called. Now we'll print it in the for loop. Let's see. This is where I have a feeling it's not going to work. I might need to get the root first. You know what? I might be doing this wrong. Oh, wait. It did spawn one. Spawning once. So it... Okay. It got printed. It got printed one time, which is what should have happened. That's awesome. Now what? Var new wire equals wire instance. Wire instance, yes. Oh, I never added the wire. I never added the wire to the thing. Oh my god. All right, so beam. Here, let me show you. Right here, add child. I never added it as a child. Oh no. Add child, new wire. That's like the most important step. Let's try it now. Well, you know. Wait, didn't we already have this issue? Why was it working? Where are we? We're in the wire. Mesh type insert. Does the mesh not exist yet? Like... Okay, whatever. We don't have to set the color right now. It's fine. I just want this to work. Come on! Direction 2. I don't know what's wrong with me. Dot translation. Oh my lord. All right. So much wrong with this. Come on. Oh, you're studying to become a teacher. That's awesome. There's some stuff in English you don't really understand. That's okay. Yeah, like what's your major? Like what are you going for? Right. Okay, so now scale doesn't exist, apparently. I don't understand. Does this mesh just not exist yet? Maybe we should just edit the wire itself, because the mesh is not loading in fast enough. How did I do it in the beam? So beam instance, beam spawn, I set the rotation, I set the translation. In here I have an instance. I set the color variable. I set connected object. Bence Emerick, thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. I want to spend all my points, but doing this 300 times is not good. Yo, Kiko, thanks for the host. I appreciate it. You're gonna wait till you have 500. Nice. Yeah, don't only use the Dreams help thing if you need help. Although we're not even playing Dreams, so. And when the wire spawns in, this is where the issue came in. Maybe we should call defer this too. I don't know. Get index scale. Get index scale. Mesh scale. Like, why can't I get the scale? It's because the mesh like isn't spawned in yet. I guess we do call deferred here. It's not a good sign when nothing opens. Okay. It didn't even give me an error. Oh no. How do I make a sculpture that's like transparent? Not invisible, but not opaque. Yeah, I know what you mean. In Dreams. What is this recast doing? It's not doing anything. What's going on? Okay, this is weird. It's just like not even running. What the heck? Okay, I'm gonna exit this. I have no idea what just happened. That's super weird. I don't know. It's just like... Okay, what the hell? Now Godot is just not even opening. Give me a second. Okay, we're gonna close Chrome. Is Godot running in the background? No. This is weird. This is interesting. I will let it run. This is very... I might have to restart my computer or something. I don't know why I can't open this. What's going on? Is my computer okay? What the... It's like not even trying to open. Oh, there we go. Jesus Christ. What the hell? It was not Godot. I don't think. I think no, I have space. I don't know. That was weird. Okay. Anyway. is it doing this? Why is it running like unbelievably slow? I want to blame my computer, but it might be Godot. Can I run other stuff? Okay, this is running fast. Not responding. What the frick? Yo, I swear to God, if my save file is like messed up. I've been saving it to OneDrive. I have not been like saving versions of it in Git. What the hell? It's not responding. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna try restarting my computer if this doesn't work. This is super weird. I think I just need to restart my computer, but this is super weird. Let's also exit. Let's also exit this. This is weird. This is weird. This has never happened before. It's taking. Okay, so let's open something else. What is going? Okay, guys, I'm gonna restart my computer. I don't know what's happening. This has never happened before. I don't know if this is my fault or what, but the bot saying something's playing. It plays every time there's a new song. It plays the song, and then if you like it, you can like click the link. It's just every time a song switches. This is okay. I'm gonna restart my computer. I'll be right back, guys. Sorry.